All right, so I am looking to invest $10,000 in crypto. Any must-have suggestions? Definitely a lot. Let's begin with Forrest. What do you think? Any tips?
Yeah. Yeah, so I think Ethereum is a really good place to start, and then branching out into Ethereum based projects, particularly in the DeFi space, is a really good place to start. I would also look into ways to earn yield on that 10,000, whether it's projects with staking like Polkadot or yield farming. I'm just going to go ahead and get ahead of Ian here because I already know he's going to say it. Take out the not financial advice, but taking a couple $100 out of there and getting a Helium hotspot and having that pay itself off. I know there's a backlist, or they're back ordered, and they're taking a while to ship out, but obviously Helium is a great project to be mining right now.
Yeah, I mean, so if you have $10,000 to invest in crypto, what would you do? Or rather, what would I do? Yeah, I mean, I would first look for ways to earn crypto passively. So mining that through Helium network, or even plotting through Chia network. That because that's almost free, right? Then I would definitely use Ethereum as my store of value. I'm basically looking to earn more Ethereum with all my altcoins. I would diversify my portfolio, making sure I have minimum four different cryptocurrencies. So I would find crypto assets I think will be around in the next 5 to 10 years. So me personally, that would be Ethereum, Polygon, Helium Network, Chia Network. I like Integral Dex. I'll definitely look into yield farming. If anything, I would probably look more into yield farming on Polygon because the fees there would be a lot lower. Now, I haven't done any yield farming on Polygon. Me actually using Aave on Polygon was probably the first time I've really used Polygon. Um, and I was actually pretty blown away with how it's kind of like for the people out there who use Binance Smart Chain, it's kind of like that, except running on Ethereum, right? That's why it's really taken off. So maybe because with 10K, you can't really participate in DeFi because of the fees. But if you can take maybe a quarter of that, move it down to Polygon using the Polygon bridge, and then maybe find good products on the Polygon ecosystem to yield farm, that could be it. I don't think we've really found any good Polygon projects though, but we'll probably have our team do a deeper dive into their ecosystem and see if there's anything that scores over an 80. Outside of that, staking, right? Stake and forget. Find good projects, stake, walk away, come back, right? I've shared a story of a person on our team who basically were staking Polygon, Matic, for over a year, and they totally forgot about it because it was in some random wallet they have. And recently they came back to see that they had over $100,000 in Polygon in a wallet they totally forgot about, right? Because they were staking it, right? So stake and forget works wonders. So with that being said, let us know what you would do with $10,000 in crypto down below.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.